Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to get note on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on your profile, and first of all you choose professional account, and then back. Tap on App Store and search on Instagram. Okay, click on Instagram. Then this app is update. Okay, just click. Then updating your app to get notes on Instagram option. Okay, wait just few seconds. First of all, this app is update right now. Okay, then tap on open and add your new feature. Just tap on this option. Okay, click on messenger and type on your note option. Just click and type your note and just tap on share. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.